SOP, a 0.05 m 0. Silver nitrate solution, exactly as performed in a pharmaceutical. This standard operating procedure explains the correct method for preparing and standardizing a 0.0 silver nitrate solution, following every step. Before beginning the procedure, collect all the required laboratory. Because the accuracy of your preparation depends greatly on the precision of the equipment you use. Now gather all the required analytical reagent-grade chemicals. Before using any reagent, storage condition, this ensures compliance with pharmaceutical quality control requirements. For eosin indicator solution, accurately weigh 0.5 grams of eosin powder. Transfer it into a 100 ml volumetric flask and store in amber bottle. Accurately weigh 8.5 grams of silver nitrate, dissolve it in purified water, and make the final volume up to 1000 milliliters. Dry sodium chloride at 110 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. After cooling, accurately weigh exactly 0.05 grams for standardization. Dissolve the sodium chloride in 5 milliliters of purified water. Then add acetic acid, methanol, and finally the eosin indicator solution. Mix the solution thoroughly using a magnetic stirrer until it becomes completely uniform before starting the titration procedure. Fill the burette with the prepared silver nitrate solution and begin titration slowly while continuously observing the reaction. Continue adding silver nitrate slowly until a permanent faint pink color appears. This indicates the titration endpoint. The endpoint is confirmed only when the faint pink color remains stable after continuous stirring. Remember this important equivalency. 1 milliliter of 0.05 molar silver nitrate equals 0.002922 grams of sodium chloride. Calculate the molarity using the recorded weight of sodium chloride and the volume of silver nitrate consumed during titration. Store the standardized solution in a clean amber glass bottle, seal it properly, label it completely, and protect it from direct light. You've now learned the complete preparation, standardization, calculation, and storage procedure for 0.05 silver nitrate solution used in pharmaceutical quality control. Thank you for watching. I'm Naresh. Subscribe for more pharmaceutical laboratory training, GMP, GLP, and quality control tutorials. See you in the next video.